everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Nida Sheikh, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru in the Department of ECE Engineering. Today's subject is mathematics and we're going to discuss about inverse Laplace transform. First, let us know what is inverse Laplace transform. The derivative of s is j omega. When finding what x of x equals when y of x equals 0, we find the inverse function x of minus s, and remember that multiplying both sides by j gives complex conjugate. We can multiply both sides by j to get rid of minus s. The inverse Laplace transform takes the output y of s and finds what x of s it is in terms of for a given transfer function h of s. Now here, what is transfer function h of s? Now let us discuss what is transfer function. Our transfer function is simply s divided by j omega. Since Laplace transforms are linear, the transfer function can be factored into product of simpler functions. Now let us know what is the formula of Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform. The inverse Laplace transform can be described as the transformation into a function of time. In the Laplace inverse formula, f of s is the transform of f of t, while in inverse Laplace formula, f of t is the inverse Laplace transform of f of s. Therefore, we can write this inverse Laplace transform formula as follows. F of t is equals to L inverse of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi I limit t tends to infinity closed integral e power st f of s ds. Now, here is the formula table of inverse Laplace transform. If the quotient consists 1, its transform become 1 divided by b. If a, its transform become 1 divided by b square. A power I factorial divided by s into I plus 1. Exponential of ta becomes 1 divided by b minus t. Cos of sa becomes b divided by b square plus s square. Sin of sa becomes t divided by b square plus s square. Exponential of ta and cos of sa becomes b minus t divided by b minus t whole square plus s square. Exponential of ta sin of sa becomes s divided by b minus t whole square plus s square. Now, let us know what are the theorems of inverse Laplace transform. It consists of only two theorems with such formulas like when a and b are constant, it becomes L inverse of with flower bracket a of f of s plus b of g of s becomes a L inverse of f of s plus b L inverse of g of s. Now in theorem 2, L inverse of f of s becomes e minus atl minus 1 e atl minus 1 e power minus at l power minus 1 minus f of s minus a. Now let us solve some examples related to inverse Laplace transform. The first example is compute the inverse Laplace transform of y of s is equals to 2 divided by 3 minus 5s. Now first of all, let us write y of s is equals to 2 divided by 3 minus 5s, which then becomes minus 2 by 5 into 1 by s minus 3 by 5 with the Laplace transform formulas. Now, after applying inverse Laplace transform formula, we get y of t is equals to L inverse of minus 2 by 5 into 1 by s minus 3 by 5 as we have written before. Then now minus 2 by 5, let us take minus 2 by 5 outside, and L inverse of 1 by s minus 3 by 5 becomes e power 3 by 5 of t. So the answer becomes minus 2 by 5 e power 3 by 5 of t. Let us solve some more examples. Example 2. Compute the inverse Laplace transform of y of s is equals to 5s divided by s square plus 9. Now it becomes let us take 5 outside and let us maintain it in formula s divided by s square plus 9. Thus, after applying inverse Laplace L inverse, let us take 5 outside as usual, and inverse Laplace of s divided by s square plus 9 becomes cos 3t. So, the overall answer becomes 5 cos 3t. Example 3. Compute the inverse Laplace transform of y of s is equals to 2 divided by 3s power 4. Y of s is equals to 2 divided by 3s power 4 becomes 1 divided by 9 into 3 factorial by s power 4. This as per the Laplace formula. Then after applying inverse Laplace formula, let us take 1 by 9 outside of L inverse of 3 factorial by s power 4. L inverse of 3 factorial by s power 4 becomes t cube. So the answer becomes 1 divided by 9 t cube. Compute the inverse Laplace transform of y of s is equals to 3s plus 2 divided by s square plus 25. Now y of s is equals to 3s plus 2 divided by s square plus 25. Then it becomes, let us take denominator on both sides. Then 3s becomes 3s divided by s square plus s 25 plus 2 divided by s square plus 25. This is splitting method. Now let us take 3 outside and here 2 by 5 outside. It becomes 3 into s by s square plus 25 plus 2 by 5 into 5 divided by s square plus 25. Okay, thus after applying L inverse or inverse Laplace transform by taking 3 outside, it becomes 3 L inverse s divided by s square plus 25 plus 2 by 5 L inverse of 5 divided by s square plus 25 after splitting. Then the answer of this inverse becomes 3 cos 5t plus 2 by 5 sin 5t. Now let us solve the example number 5. Compute the inverse Laplace transform of y of s is equals to 5 divided by s plus 2 whole cube. Now let us consider t is equals to 2 divided by s cube, and according to the proposition e power minus 2t t square is equals to 2 divided by s plus 2 whole cube. Then after applying inverse formula, we get 5. Let us take 5 by 2 as a common, or let us take 5 by 2 outside. Then it becomes 2 divided by s plus 2 whole cube. After taking 5 by 2 outside of L inverse, it becomes 2 divided by s plus 2 whole square as usual. Then the answer of inverse of 2 divided by s plus 2 whole cube becomes e power minus 2t t square. So that the final answer becomes 5 by 2 e power minus 2t t cube t square. Then let us solve the last example. Compute the inverse Laplace transform of y of s is equals to 4 of s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus 4. Then the transform pair becomes cos 2t is equals to s divided by s square plus 4. After equating the denominator, we get s square plus 4. Okay, according to the proposition e power t cos 2t is equals to s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus 4. Hence, after applying the inverse Laplace L inverse of 4 of s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus 4, let us take 4 outside. 4L minus 1 s minus 1 4L inverse of s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus 4. Now then, inverse of s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus 4 becomes cos 2t. So the final answer becomes 4 e power t cos 2t. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.